Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ambassador Chijoki Umo. I'm the chairman of the Caretaker Committee of the Local Government area of River State. This morning, we had an incident in our local government that the former Speaker of the River State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Martin Sabewuli, led some security men to disrupt the activity going on in the Lewis Health Center by the Ministry of Health in partnership with the River State Ministry of Health. And they came in there, picked up our women, beat up pregnant people. In fact, started shooting tear gas on the pregnant women who were in the health facility. And a few minutes later, some policemen from force headquarters in Port Harcourt, Moscow, stormed and started shooting, headed by some security personnel by CSP Masalachi, who has been giving Rivers people sleepless nights. And want to use medium to call on the Inspector General of Police that we are aware that he's aware of what Rivers people are passing through, and that he has taken side, and that our local government will not be laid under siege by police authority. And we are to use this medium to call on Mr. President that the lives of the Inspector General of Police and the Commissioner of Police in River State are tarnishing the image of his government. That it is time for Mr. President, President Bola Tinubu, to immediately call the Inspector General of Police to order. That what happened today should not repeat itself next time. That we are sending it as a warning. Our people will not take it for granted again. We are going to ensure that we are going to resist them. I will also call on the Inspector General of Police to stop using security agencies in River State to attack government. What they are doing is to attack those who are supporting the governor. What happened this morning was that we are law-abiding people because we love peace. And our principal has said we should be calm. What they want is for somebody to die, but we said no. Our calling on the Inspector General of Police to call his men to order, including him, Mr. President, to call him to order. Because the IG has taken side. You can go to all parts of River State, all the local government councils have been seized by the police. This is not enough. A program that is being done by the River State Ministry of Health, Right Honorable Martin Sabewuli, will sponsor the police and the CSP Masalachi to come and disrupt what we are doing. I begin to ask, what is the issue? There is no issue. We are going about our legitimate business to ensure that we do what our people asked us to do. The ministry has said we are going to use Obio-Akpor government for the flag off. And they are coming to stop us, aided by the police. I want to call on Mr. President that it is time he call these people to order. And I'm also aware that their leader, the Minister of FCT, Chief Pro-Wike, is the one who is sponsoring this crisis in our state. And as a local government, we want to call on Chief Pro-Wike that he should concentrate in what is in Abuja and allow Rivers people to rest. Our people have rejected them. You can't force people to love you. We have said no. We can't follow you. You have done your tenure for 8 years. Allow Fubara to be governor for his own tenure for 8 years. You can't use police to force people to love you. No. If you see what played out today, you will see that our people have rejected the Martin Sabewuli. That is our community. I am from that community. So you see the show of love that they have rejected Martin Sabewuli and his cohort. They are saying, go, we are not interested in what we are doing. I want to also call on Mr. President. I don't know if he's not aware of what's happening in Nigeria, that these people are demarketing his government. They are trying to tarnish the image of his government. So Mr. President should immediately call Yesu to order. And I want to also appeal to Mr. President to sack the Inspector General of Police, because he's now a politician. He has taken side. He's more or less an essay to the Minister of FCT. And Rivers people are saying, we have rejected them, we're not going to support them. So no amount of intimidation will force us to support them. I want to call on our people to remain calm and continue to pray for our governor. Rivers State cannot be for sale. Rivers State is not for sale. Wike has done this for 8 years, for God's sake. You should allow peace to reign in our state. Go to Abia State, go to a point. Everywhere is quiet. Why is that? It's only Rivers State. You want to kill us? I'm aware that the IG said they should arrest me. And let me tell Nigerians, nobody can arrest me because I'm not a criminal. I've not done anything that warrant me to be arrested. What they want to do is that when somebody dies, they will declare me wanted. But God forbid, who are not abiding people, the IG of police should be called to order. He's not a member of this. He's not a member of. He's not from River State. Rather, he's been filled with fake information, and each day he uses police to harass us, like the CSP Masalachi and his cohort. I not also appeal to Mr. President that he should stand up and watch closely what's happening in this country. These persons, these characters, have decided to run this government down. I want to call on Mr. President to sit up and know that the lives of Chief Wike will turn up again to fight him. He did it to his former president, right of Chief Amechi, and we know he's our brother that's going to fight you tomorrow. So it is time for you to wake up and realize that Wike is a mole in your government. He wants people to hate you by using security agencies to harass our people in the name of grabbing power in River State. Enough is enough.
Okay. As the CSO of the LGA, can you confirm to us whether somebody died or